Hi friends, here a boy is adding consecutive natural numbers starting with 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Now he reached a total of 1000. He might have added 10 numbers, 50 numbers. Let's see how many numbers he has added. Then he realized that he has made a mistake of double counting one number. For example, he would have counted 2 twice, or 10 twice, or 20 twice, whatever. What is the number that is double counted? Right. Here we have the sum of some numbers, sum of some consecutive natural numbers. And a consecutive natural numbers starting with 1. So, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, up till 20, 30, 40, whatever. Right. Now, one number is added twice. So, let us use the formula of adding the first n natural numbers, which is n into n plus 1 by 2. Right. Now, let us randomly take that we have some 25 numbers like this. First 25 or 26 numbers. Then, after adding 25 numbers, right? If one more number has to be added, the sum of all 26 numbers, the sum of 25 numbers will be 26. Right? Because only 26 is extra than S25. S25 is sum of 1 to 25. S26 is sum of 1 to 26. S26 minus S25 is only 26. Right. Now, if after adding S1 to 25, let's say this fellow added something extra, something twice. That means either 3 twice or 12 twice or 24 twice, whatever. Whatever he adds, all these numbers, even if he adds 25 again, is all these numbers will still be less than 26. Right. So 1 to 25 he has added 1 to 25 plus whatever this extra. Right, S25 plus whatever is this extra will still be less than S26. Right, S25 plus whatever extra will still be less than S26 because the max of this extra is 25 only. Right, and S26 is S25 plus 26. Right, this extra cannot go beyond 25. So what we are trying to see, S25 and S26, whatever this 1000 what that we are getting, this 1000 should lie between some and some S n plus 1, where sum of n plus 1. Right. It cannot be between, uh, basically, we cannot, it has to lie between Sn and S n plus 1, two consecutive numbers only. Right. Because something is extra, it cannot be lesser than Sn or it cannot be greater than Sn plus 1. Right. If he has added till some number he has added, then he is adding some other number. Right. Some other number which is between 1 to n. So obviously the sum will be greater than Sn and it should be less than Sn minus n plus 1. Right, this 1000 should be greater than Sn and 1000 should be less than Sn plus 1. This is important. Why it is less than n plus 1? Because we have to add n plus 1. Then only we will get Sn plus 1. But whatever the numbers that we can add are all either less than or equal to n. So we cannot add n plus 1. So this 1000 should always lie between some Sn and some Sn plus 1. Now what is the formula for Sn? First, n natural numbers. We know n into n plus 1 by 2. We also know 45 square is 2025. That means 45 into 45 by 2 is roughly around 1000. So 45 into 46 by 2 is definitely greater than 1000. So let us try with some 44. So 44 into 45 by 2 is actually 990. Right. What does that mean? We are adding 10 more to make it 1000. So this 1000 is lying between this 990 and S45. S44 is 990. S44 is 990. Right. And S45 is 1000, 1035. Right. Can 1000 lie between S43 and S44? No way, right? Because S44 itself is 990. S44 itself is 990. So 1000 cannot be less than S44. Right? Because S43, whatever we add, it will still be less than S43 is always less than S44, right? And S43 is always less than S44. And S43 plus extra is always less than S44 because extra is max 44. And 1000 is greater than S44. So there is no way this 1000 can lie between S43 and S44 because 1000 is greater than S44. Right? 1000 can only lie between S44 and S45. Right, guys? So this boy has added 44 tons, and what he has added extra, he would have got, in reality, he would have got 995 added correctly. Now that he has got 1000, that means he has added 1 ton extra. Let's say instead of 1000, it is 1010. That means he has added a 20 extra. Right, guys? Thank you.